Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing an important question of Sales of Goods Act. The question is whether electricity, gas or water will be considered as goods or not, whether they are goods or not. So the answer to this question is that earlier they were considered to be goods, but now, as per the latest judgments, electricity, gas, or water are not considered to be goods. They are included in services under Consumer Protection Act. So the simple answer is that electricity, gas, or water are not goods. Earlier, they were considered to be goods. So now, why, as per the latest judgments, they are not deemed to be goods? Rather, they are covered under the services in Consumer Protection Act. So see, in this case, if we see what are goods as per Sales of Good Acts. So goods mean as per Section 2 subclause 7 of Sales of Goods Act. Goods mean every kind of movable property other than actionable claim. So it means actionable claim is not goods. Or money means the money in circulation, that is also not goods. So goods are any kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money, but they include stocks and shares, growing crop also. They include grass. They include a thing attached to or forming part of a land which are agreed to be severed before sale. So it also includes a thing or a structure which is forming part of land but which is agreed to be severed, जो उसको land से काटा जा सकता है. So if it is there a tree, that will be an immovable, it won't be a good. Okay, so but if the tree is agreed to be severed before the sale, then it will be a good. So a tree which is rooted inside the land, it will not be good, but if it is severed from the land, then it will be good. Okay, so now this last part, reasoning was given: thing forming part of the land and severed before sale. So in Commissioner of Sales Tax Madhya Pradesh versus MP Electricity, this case was of 1970 case. So this is the old case in which electricity, gas or water was considered to be a good. So what was the reasoning behind? The court said that electricity, gas and water, they are the minerals that is severed from the soil. उन्हें soil से ही तो निकाला है for human use. Therefore they said that electricity, gas or minerals will be goods. तो ये उनका reasoning था under the previous cases. This case was of 1970. But in 2002 case, the Supreme Court held in state of Andhra Pradesh versus NTPC that electricity is not goods. So electricity will not be considered to be goods. So similarly, electricity, gas or water will not be considered to be goods. Now why it won't be considered to be goods? That was elaborated by the Supreme Court under Southern Petrochemical versus Electricity Inspector case. This case is of 2007. So they gave the reasoning that electricity is not covered under sale because electricity is not sold, it is supply. So there is a supply of electricity and not a sale of electricity. So since electricity is not sold, it is supplied, so it will be included in the services. It is supplied by the authorities, so it will be included in the services, and the remedy lies in the statute for breach of obligation or under Consumer Protection Act. So it won't be considered as sale. And according to Mullah also, sale is a consensual contract requiring agreement express or implied for sale of good between seller and buyer. But here there is no sale. There is a supply of electricity, gas or water. So therefore it will be considered to be a service, and the remedy will lie on the breach of statutory obligation of the authorities or under the services in Consumer Protection Act. So therefore, the final conclusion is that electricity, gas, or water are not considered to be goods. Earlier, they were considered to be goods. So thank you all.